How to check your Chick-fil-A gift card balance online. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, go to the gift card tracker page in the Chick-fil-A website. Here you'll find this kind of screen pop up. This is track your gift card. Now, simply add in the purchaser's email address, then confirmation number that you got in the mail. After you've done that, press on track, and after you do that, it will also show if the gift card is used or it is available, and you will find balance in here as well. And after you find balance, you're good to go. This is how to check your Chick-fil-A gift card balance online. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.